start off by saying this. The biggest challenge is to make a video where you not seem too overexcited and not too boring. But I'll do my best here. Sorry, let's start over from that one. My name is David. I am from Sweden, and currently I'm studying mechanical engineering, and I've been doing that for 2.5 years. At the moment, I'm working on my thesis project, which is about wind turbines, and hopefully I will finish that and graduate at the end of spring. The catfish as a product, the common goal is that everyone involved in the project are working towards to build an autonomous drone that can take continuous measurements from a lake or a pond and evaluate this and make an evaluation that tells us about the health of the lake. But the idea of the project Catfish is to bring people together from different countries and different discipline of engineering, and to learn more about the process of developing a new product, which is great, and it should, even when I'm finished here, I hope that this project continue to grow, and that new members can hopefully build upon that I have brought to the project. I joined the team because well, first off, I was sort of headhunted by Harvey and Alireza, which was very flattering, of course. They think that I'm some sort of genius. I am not. Let me tell you a secret. I am not. I'm just a normal guy that thinks that loves engineering, and I love to build stuff. Don't tell them. Okay. But mainly I love the creative freedom that this project provides, and it's a great opportunity to get to learn more about myself, but also about other people and their perspectives about the catfish and stuff like that. At the moment, I am working on the hull of the cat and the winch for the fish. This is obviously from a mechanical point of view, and there's a lot of things that needs to be taken into consideration. Just recently, I've made an approximation of the total weight of the cat, which is crucial to know, because obviously the cat needs to stay afloat. Yeah. So if I know the total weight, I can design the boat properly to make it float. And there is also the distribution of the weight of the cat in order to keep it balanced. And there is also some how to fit the electronics parts on the cats to keep them safe from water. And I expect to learn more about the process of developing a new product, which so far I've learned a lot, honestly. But also I've learned to improve my communication skills, and I can practice my English, which I don't do that often, but this is a great opportunity for that. And also it's great to be able to work and collaborate and understand the language, so to speak, of other engineering disciplines. Yeah, and you gain a lot of new perspectives of designing and stuff like that. There are loads of challenges, of course, but the biggest challenge is time, because everyone that is involved in the project are studying, obviously, and it's hard to find the time for the project. But I think personally that this limited time can be a good thing, because it forces you to document every step that you take in your work. Not because that it's easier for me to pick up where I left off, but also for to show my colleagues what I've done, and yeah, and also because when or if I leave this this project, which I hopefully I won't, but the documentation is very important for new members, because they can easily they can pick up the work that I left off as well, so they don't need so that you guys actually don't need to start all over again. How do I see the teamwork? Well, the teamwork I think is awesome, because honestly I think that everyone in the group brings their perspective, their experiences and their backgrounds to the table, which makes this group a very dynamic group and diverse, which is important in developing new stuff, because if everyone has the same perspective, we're not going to go far in this project. This is hard, you know, speaking to no one. You look at yourself on the screen. So, but yeah, this is a good project. 2 thumbs up. Peace.